Welcome to Avon Studios, where student dreams take flight. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Bath, Avon Studio rooms are your ticket to a student experience like no other. With cozy beds and study areas primed for success, you'll be living your best academic life in no time. But hold on to your hats, because the fun doesn't stop there. Step outside and discover a world of amenities designed to make every day an adventure. From quiet study nooks to lively game rooms, the apartment has got something for everyone. And with a jam-packed social calendar, the party never ends. With Bath College and Bath Spa University mere moments away, you'll never be late for class. And when it's time to unwind, tantalize your taste buds with a mouth-watering burger at Burgers and Barrels Bath. Weekends are for exploration, so dive into Bath's rich culture with ease. Just hop on over to Park Lane or Sovereign Point bus station, both conveniently close. So what are you waiting for? Join AmberStudent.com and let the adventure begin at Avon Studios.